20 expert weight loss tips. Forget counting calories and make burning fat second nature with our simple weight loss tips. 1. Drink more water. The quickest and easiest way of reducing calorie intake is to drink more water. Decreased sugar consumption was a main reason for the calorie reduction. 2. Be smart with carbs. Carbs still get a bad rap for making people fat. That's partly because some types, think chips or crisps, are easy to overeat. But whole grain carbs, like unrefined brown bread, rice and pasta, can actually help you lose weight. Eating whole grains increases levels of betaine compounds, which improves glucose breakdown to keep your metabolism firing. 3. Eat more seafood. Eating oysters, crab, salmon and tuna, and other copper-rich foods like beef and Brazil nuts, can help you lose fat by improving your fat cells' ability to regulate metabolic processes. 4. Be mindful at meals. Sitting at a table to eat instead of doing it at your desk, on the sofa or standing up reduces your risk of overeating by making you more mindful during meals. 5. Be consistent. It's easy to start a new fitness routine, but it's very difficult to continue it. Write down your workouts for the week and make sure to stick to that. 6. Beware added sugars. These can creep into all kinds of foods that you might not expect to be full of the sweet stuff, like condiments and shop-bought sauces. Opting for foods without added sugar is a must. Sugar spikes your blood glucose, and if you don't burn it off, it'll be stored as fat. 7. Upgrade your tastes. Make the change to black coffee instead of cappuccinos or dark chocolate rather than a slab of dairy milk, and after a few weeks you'll never want to go back. 8. Stay accountable. Accountability comes in many forms. It could be just a promise to yourself or telling the whole world via social media, but it's essential for keeping you motivated when the going gets tough. And a support network is also crucial for times when things go wrong and you need to get back on track. Even better, find someone who has been there and done it themselves, because their advice and insight can be invaluable. 9. Be a goal-getter. Too many people start their fat loss plan without setting an end date or a realistic goal. Set a finish date that you are 100% confident you can hit. There will inevitably be times where you're tempted to go back to old habits, and having a specific goal, with smaller milestones along the way, can keep you on track. 10. Track your progress. It's vital to take photos and measurements and keep a training diary that details not just moves you do and weights you lift, but also how the session felt. 11. Record what you eat. Writing down what you eat is a great way of tracking your eating habits. 12. Clean out your cupboards. If I am trying to get lean, I won't keep foods at home I know I should be avoiding. Even if you have amazing willpower, it can be almost impossible to get in after a very long day and eat the food you know you should when there's a stack of tasty treats just an open cupboard door away. 13. Separate fats and carbs. Avoid eating fats and simple carbs together, especially once your rate of fat loss begins to stall. 14. Eat gut-friendly foods. Nutrient absorption through the gut is the key to successful fat loss. Avoid foods that you've found to cause gut discomfort and eat more fiber, veg, and omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D3, oily fish, as well as taking a high-quality probiotic to replenish your gut with good bacteria. 15. Build new habits. The crucial factor to success is forming new, healthier habits. Once you start to develop new habits, such as planning your meals, sticking to a structured training program and getting better quality sleep, it becomes easier not only to lose body fat but also to keep it off. 16. Make your own meals. If you don't have a clear idea of what you're eating, you simply can't stick to the daily limits needed to create a calorie deficit, which is when your body has no choice but to burn fat stores. 17. Boss the supermarket. The choices you make when you're food shopping will determine how well you set yourself up for the week ahead, so buy, cook and eat real food. Sustainable long-term fat loss is about ingraining good habits, and that all starts with what you put in your food basket. 18. Avoid post-gym coffee. A pre-workout cup of coffee can improve gym performance thanks to the powers of caffeine, but you should avoid it after training because it raises cortisol. 19. Keep good food close. Make sure you have healthy snacks available. That can be anything from hummus or cottage cheese with carrots, bell peppers, cucumbers or celery, or a hard-boiled egg and a whole grain cracker, to some Greek yogurt with fresh berries. 20. Stay relaxed. In research from the University of California, test subjects who ate high-sugar, high-fat foods were at more risk of a larger waistline and higher belly fat if they were chronically stressed. For the less stressed, negative effects were less apparent.